evening, Angel. How you doing?
Not too bad, sir.
Boy, I tell you, look sharp like you're ready for the world, man.
Yeah?
Yeah,
man.
So, my brother, I tell me about you all this time. I tell me say you're a superstar in the area.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit of piece about how you get the name Angel.
I mean, that's going to be flex and militantness, you know. Our program and thing. I assist them in many angles.
You assist a lot of people?
Yeah, man. Even what you too.
Over in this community?
Yeah.
Which community are you affiliated with?
Both community. Alman Town, Franklin Town, Mountain View side. Even South side.
Even South side?
Yeah.
So, that means you grew up within the communities there?
Barn and Grow East.
The Barn and Grow East?
Yeah.
So, how would you like to see the new East that is building up now? The love and the peace and the unity?
Yes, we like the unity and love, yes. And at the same time, we like more employment still for the youth, one thing.
Tell me a little bit about that.
No, we don't have less employment around here. We have most of it up on the street, now work, nothing to do. And they need some more business people that can employ them. Even factory.
Okay.
We have more work for the youth them. And even elder too.
What about the elder?
Yeah, I can't live with elder, you know. Could never live with elder.
What would you like to see? What would you like to see get done for the elder?
More jobs and more peace and unity. A lot of development where you can have more things to do.
So how you get the movie star name now? It's
my right name, you know.
Is the right name?
Yeah, my right name is Anthony Angel, you know.
Anthony Angel?
Yeah.
Okay, but the friends and the girls them call you Angel?
Yeah. I say that them don't know say it's my right name because one say that I hear that, but it's my right name.
Oh, it's the right name?
Yeah.
So you move anywhere like an angel? Because you know Angel is a soft-spoken person where they're in a war and a straight love them at the way.
This is an angel, a radical angel, you know.
You're a radical angel?
Radical angel, why not?
Why you say that?
Yeah, because I move radical.
But you're shot though, but I tell the line of Bridget.
I love radicalness, I like them.
Yeah.
Freaky style.
Yeah. Yeah. You don't like the freaky style? What do you like about it?
No, it's a freaky style mixed up with art and corruption, you know. Girl, this boy do suck and all them things and we don't dance them things.
Yeah, fireburn them things.
Yeah, you fireburn. Jamaican Rasta.
Okay.
You see what I say?
Yeah. So how you see Jamaica run now?
Well, people just win and things, so I said if I watch them, I see where they're going to look. They say the chief start and they watch and see what they need. Okay. Everybody need assistance where they want help. And I'm going to pay all right. The whole Jamaica.
The whole Jamaica.
Yeah.
What do you think about the music industry now? How you see the music around with the youth?
Well, the youth them know their music, why them got prison, you know. Because Cartel and Ninja Man, them not think positive.
Them not think positive?
No.
Why you say that?
Ninja Man, you could have your son and your son go for a gun and jump a wall or shoot a man. You the son.
Yeah. But that is alleged though, remember them?
Yeah, but you can't mix music with gun. And enter your entertainer and start mixing gun. A prisoner can go, you know, and you can lose the freedom. See, this time they overwhelm them their jail. So the Ninja Man.
Good one, them there.
Good one. Can't get no bail.
Can't get no bail.
Yeah, and the cases are serious case.
Murder. Murder. So what do you think about Vibes Cartel now?
Well, to me, almost 50 kids are like saying, I'm not intending to come back road, you know.
You feel them all locked down cartel?
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Because these are killing a lizard. Which I'm friend, you know. When I kill lizard, them video it, you know.
Oh, them videotape it?
Yeah, and police have it.
Oh. But that is alleged though, Carl. No, we don't see no videotape.
We don't see it. But the police have it. I'm saying, for the police have it, we don't tell you what to the judge.